X5 has dependably been able and monetarily fruitful, yet it has never truly been commended. So BMW doesn't need to dispatch the fourth era of its medium-size SUV with the guarantee that the organization is getting back on track, as it's doing with the looming new 3 arrangement. Rather, the Bavarians are impeccably substanced to demonstrate that this X5 is just a superior, increasingly competent, and further developed form of the last X5. Furthermore, that is actually what it is. Somewhat bigger than before in wheelbase, width, and length, the new X5's extents are famously natural, regardless of whether its kidney grille has developed to close amusing extents. Its skin is pulled tauter over the corners, and the side surfacing includes a touch of enthusiasm with a line that kicks up at the back entryway, making it look increasingly athletic, yet it's a long way from progressive. There's a decent lot of novel stuff going on underneath, be that as it may. BMW is relocating its whole lineup to only 2 secluded stages, and the X5 is the most recent to change to the cluster architecture, CLAR, that likewise supports the new 3 arrangement. Its twofold wishbone front suspension and multi-link rays are supplemented by recently standard versatile dampers and a discretionary suspension that presently conveys air springs to the front notwithstanding the back hub. They were just accessible out back beforehand. Raise wheel directing is another offering, and a portion of the last X5's choices, including dynamic enemy of move bars, variable proportion guiding, and an electronically controlled restricted slip raise differential, proceed here. The bigger outside impression gives more space inside, however not at all like a few contenders. The X5 isn't generally expected to be a 7-traveler family hauler. The forthcoming X7, which will come standard with 3 lines of seats, will cover that base. The X5's third column is discretionary, and keeping in mind that its second line remains very obliging, the 6th and 7th seats are, as they were previously, for children as it were. Different gestures toward common sense incorporate a discretionary power workload cover and the X5's commonplace 2-piece rear end, the base segment of which is currently fueled simply like the upper segment. With its variety of mechanical and innovative overhauls, the new X5 will persuade even the most enduring skeptics of its predominance over the X5s that have preceded it. As a SUV, it wouldn't gather the kind of following that positions its G05 code name among the Bavarian legends, yet this is the most cultivated BMW SUV yet, and it wears its a wide range of caps easily.